Alright, just gonna do a little bit of a quick inside teardown, whatnot, of the Extreme Power X6039 tri-output to 30 channel volt, or two 30 volt, 3 amp supplies. Whew, that was a tough one. And a 5 volt fixed supply. I have the leads off, so I can just plug my banana plugs right over them and take my test leads off to where I need them. So we have it taken the cover off because there's quite a few little screws. And so you can see there are two really big, beefy transformers. Gives the thing most of its weight. I'm assuming one for each channel. I don't know why they didn't just use one big one for both channels, because even this seems like it could support the full 30 volt range at 3 amps or even 6 amps a channel. It should be able to handle that. On this side we have, I'm assuming, yep, we have channel 1, and these are all the taps. It seems to have 20 odd taps. However, when you run it, it only has about 5 or 6 odd settings with the different relays that switch on and off. These must be trimmers for the voltage. We have an LM324N op-amp quad, I think. 740 or an LM741CN. I'm assuming those are comparators. And then we have a D313. Whoa! Don't drop that. D313, I think voltage regulator. What do we have here? CW7812. That must be a 12 volt regulator for the different op amps. Probably divided out somewhere to give the positive and negative supplies. Or they're just running it all from a ground. Who knows? Got some big heavy power resistors, which I don't like particularly. They're just kind of hanging there and not tied down. The diodes are up nice and floating, so good heat sinking capabilities. Got a really nice, I don't know why they went through all the trouble to hold just this cap down. This is the main output filtering cap. And over on this side, we have channel 2, which is the exact same, just in reverse. And then we have the 5 volt output, which is, I'm assuming this is the 5 volt and all of the logic, screen, whatnot, output. This is the output board for the 5 volt supply. Back here we have a 2N3055 transistor for the output. I'm assuming that one's just for the 5 volt supply. Down in there, on this board, we have a chip. I don't know if I can see it. I'm not taking it any further apart either. Let's see if I can get the light just right. It's just another jelly bean op amp in there. And up here, we have the decoupling caps for the input voltage, I'm assuming. Is what those are. Some CD4049 UBE, some logic chips there. I don't know exactly which ones they are. Then we have our input LCD drivers, nothing special there. Some calibration pots for those. And then down here, I really don't like this, but look at the poor soldering job on those. Oh, my phone tilted displays there. Look at that. It's just kind of stuck in there, but that's the current shunt. And the same on the other side, because this is a dual channel. But it does have a true mains power switch, which runs all the way back. A nice hefty fuse. And on the back, we have two nice big heat sinks, each with two 2N3055s as well on each. And those are wired in there. Quite nice with their protection. They're missing a little bit of protection there. And is that? No, it's not loose. I thought it was loose. But you got that there. This is a 120 volt only unit. There's no 220 switch in there. Oop, that was look at that. I don't like that at all. That right there could kill the entire unit. That is a little solder bubble. Now it's down in there. I'll have to get that out with an air gun or something, but that was a little solder bubble in there. I don't like that hanging around. So overall the build quality is nice. However, it seems to switch taps way too quickly when you're running through the loads and you load it down on current limiting. It'll just click right down through the different supplies as quick as it can. Now, I'm assuming they would be high quality relays, but if they're not, those will wear out way quicker than they should at the rate they're clicking on and off. So, I would give you a power-up test, but it's just a normal power supply, and fairly accurate on both current and voltage. It's within 0.1%, or yeah, 1 or 0.1% spec on both. So, it's doing its job. So, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next video.